Okay, y'all, I swear this is the last unboxing for a little bit. This package is not the reason why you're here. This package is not the reason why you're here. This package is why you are here. So maybe some of y'all know I had a birthday a couple days ago. Thank you for all of you who wished me a happy birthday. And this year was a big year. I turned 21, so yeah. Now I get all the privileges of being a full adult. My grandpa was telling me that now I'm able to vote, even though I was able to vote when I was 18 years old. But anyways, Noah always sends me a package, and this is said package. He promised me that this is going to be the best birthday package that he's ever sent because I am turning 21. Or I did turn 21. And I assume it's also because we have now met. So... well, anyways, he always sends something great and always wraps it in some sort of like a Walmart bag or a Kroger bag. So let's unbox it and see what he sent. Okay, here is... oh, it's not actually like shopping bags now. We've upgraded to paper bags. Okay. I know what this is right here. I know what this is. I know what this is. This is, yep, a C2 hat. Yeah, legit. Okay, so now, dude, this is perfect. I've got a bunch of Thomas hats now. So we've got a C2 on the front. Of course, it says Thomas, and then on the back, Thomas built buses. Not a bad design. It's really clean, and I think they only have a few of these left on the Thomas website. So if you do want one, go and get them. Okay, so let's see how we're going to transition this one. So. Okay, well, hopefully that transition worked. Nice, it's not bad. Okay, so let's dig around. I see something right here. So we've got a little Ford model. I've got a bunch of these, just not unboxed. Nice to finally have a boxed version of this. So cool. Okay, this I remember this. Maybe y'all saw that Noah's Bus won a contest not too long ago, and he got I think he said 5 or 6 of these keychains, so, nice, thank you. Little stress bus. Okay, cool. This is an interesting one. It's obviously a C2 because it says Thomas on the top, but the back does not really look like a C2, so, yeah, that's cool, definitely. That'll go right next to my Midwest Transit one. So, awesome. Oh, he used a Walmart bag, so take back everything I said about him not using them. Alright, I can tell there's more stuff in here, but I'm not looking, so... School Bus Heritage Bumper Sticker. Could always use one of these. Amtran Light. He has a thing for sending light covers, Thank you. Okay. Western Canada bus sales, more of what he won from that contest. There's another one down here. So, let's see. Some SD cards. He asked me a couple weeks ago if I needed any because he had these just laying around and wasn't going to use them. So, yeah, I'll take them and put them in my camera or something. Thanks. A pen, again from Western Canada Bus. Nice. C2 keychain. Nice. Okay, here's the big one. Okay. Oh, Lord. An actual HDX model. I believe I told him that I have an HDX model, but it is the activity version, and I do not have the school bus version. So I can now say that I have a school bus version. So let's go ahead and open it up, take a look at it. Oh, beautiful. Just gorgeous. Wow. You can also buy these on the Thomas website too, this one and the C2, so nice. This is a beautiful model. Stop sign works and everything. Beautifully spec'd too, if you ask me. So almost a Clark County bus, almost. So wow, I was not expecting that. Thank you. And last but not least. Okay. So let me explain why it says Freightliner on there. So back when I was in Ohio, I went to Noah's house, I think 2 or 3 times, and I met his dad a few times along the way too. I guess his dad did not know my name, because as they were taking me to the airport, Noah was saying, oh yeah, Cameron did something, and he's like, who's Cameron? And I'm like, oh, that's me. He's like, oh. So anyway, Then we stop to get some gas, and he gets back in the truck, and he's like, "So, Freightliner, you ready to go back home?" And we're like, "What?" So he didn't know my name. I guess he kind of knew that I was Safety Liner C2 and just associated Freightliner with the C2. So that is why it says Freightliner on there, and oh gosh, that's fantastic. Oh gosh, good one right there. Alright, let's see what the card says. 21. I'm getting old now. Bruh, happy 21st birthday. Maybe by your 22nd birthday you'll have a bus. Here's something to help you with that. Also, have a drink on me. Ha 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 ha. Last year he sent me $1. This year he sent me a couple more dollars, and thank you. Okay, but seriously, thanks Noah. This has made my day. All of this is really cool stuff, and I do appreciate it. Noah's channel is going to be right here in the little icon thing. Definitely go and check it out. He has a bunch of great videos, and he has been with the channel really since it started. So, but seriously, Noah, thank you. I do owe you one. So maybe Christmas or your birthday next year. I don't know. We'll see what happens. And hopefully by my 22nd birthday, I will have a bus. But I think we said that last year about my 21st. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Noah's channel. And make sure you subscribe to my channel right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, down and care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or I'm gonna, these SD cards are gonna break. And make sure you also share this video with a friend, show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it, and thanks for watching.